Hey there guys, another video from Dorky Thorpy. I just thought I'd show you the twist straps and wall plate straps which I've been putting in over the last couple of weeks. So this is on after following some guidance from the building inspector. I haven't looked this up in Part A or whatever the required document is, but thought I'd show you guys anyway. So this is a 7 meter long wall along here, and we've got quite large windows, and there's not much in the way of block work left really. It's probably more window than block work, and so we've had to put a wall plate strap on each pier, and they go down at least 3 blocks. Some of them are a bit longer, as you can see. That's about 4.5, but I think 3 blocks is the minimum, so that would be about this much, like that, you see. So the other thing is these little twist straps, which I wasn't sure about, so I had to ask about these. So they're like very short little straps. Normally you might have them a bit longer, but we've got windows here, so we couldn't do that. And as they go up onto the joist, I put that bloody plastic in the way. Oh well. As they go up on the joist, they twist around, and then you screw them on the joist face that way, and then you screw them onto the blockwork that way. Now you could either use plugless fixings, you know, the screws you put straight into the concrete, or in this case you can just about fit a 6mm masonry bit through these holes, which is what I did. So you drill through, hammer a raw plug through afterwards, and then put a screw in there, and that holds them in place okay. The wall plate, when you've got it up there, it's good to staple or nail on a piece of strip of this expanded metal lath to help your plaster or render stick. So we're doing lime render on the inside. I'll put a video on about that if I remember or have time, and that's that. Thank you very much for watching. Cheerio, bye.